Question number 30. Write the number of significant figures in 100.1, 100.10, 0.001, 001, and 1001. Answer. 100.1. There are four significant figures. Here, 100.10, these two digits will be counted. So we have to 5 total. And 0.001, these two digits will not be counted, so there are only four significant figures. In case of 1000, there are four significant figures. Now, a meter scale is graduated at every millimeter. How many significant digits will be there in a length measurement with this scale? So here we can measure 1 millimeter. We can also measure 1000 millimeter. So we can say, because this is meter scale, so we can say that number of significant figures can be 1. Here there are 4. So means all possibilities are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So significant digits may be 1, 2, 3, 4. Because if we measure, suppose 102 mm, this is mm, this is mm, so 102 mm. 3 significant figures will be there. If we measure 72 mm, then 2 significant digits will be there. Now, round the following numbers to 2 significant digits. 3, 4, 7, 2. We have to drop these 2 digits. So this digit will be increased by 1, 3, 5, 0, 0. 84.16. We have to drop these 2 digits. So since this is less than 5, so we can directly drop. So it will become 84. The next one is 2.55. We have to drop this 5. Since previous digit is odd, it will be increased by 1. So 2.6 and 28.5. So here we have to drop this, but previous digit is even, so there will not be any change. It will be 28. Question number 33. The length and the radius of a cylinder measured with a slide calipers are found to be L equal to 4.54 centimeter and the radius equal to 1.75 centimeter. Calculate the volume of the cylinder. So volume of cylinder V equal to pi r square h. So pi, that is 22 by 7 into r square, 1.75 square into h is 4.54. So this will become 43.657. Now we have to check least number of significant figures in the data given 3. So answer should be rounded up to 3 places. These 3 digits should be there. So we have to drop these 2 digits. So this will be increased by 1. 43.7 and it is volume in centimeter cube. Question number 34. Thickness of a glass plate is measured to be this much, this much, this much. We have to find out A versus B. So suppose it is G. So A was 2.17 plus 2.17 plus 2.18 divided by 3. So this will become 2.1733. Since there are 3 significant digits in the measurement, so least number of significant digits are 3. So answer should be up to 3 significant digits. So it is 2.17. And Question number 35. The length of string of a simple pendulum is measured with a meter scale is 90 centimeter. The radius of the bob plus the length of the hook is calculated to be 2.13 centimeter using measurements with a slide calipers. What is the effective length of the pendulum? So we have to add these two values because this is length of the string, this is bob. So up to here, this is effective length. So this is given as 2.13 and this is given as 90.0. Now, so effective length is equal to 90.0 plus 2.13. So this will become 92.13. Now we have to round it up to 3 significant digits. So answer will be 92.1 centimeter. And that is our answer. Thank you for watching.